Thermoforming is a manufacturing process used for shaping plastic sheets into specific forms. It involves heating the plastic to make it pliable, then forming it over a mold using vacuum, pressure, or mechanical force. Thermoforming or hot press forming is a fast manufacturing process of thermoplastic composite laminates. It is a highly adaptable process, making it ideal for various industries and product types. These include medical, automobiles, packaging, and consumer goods. Here is a detailed explanation of the main 6 steps of this process for producing composite items. Thermoforming of thermoplastic composites allows rapid transformation of flat laminates into the prescribed design by the combined action of heat and pressure. A continuous fiber reinforcement, usually made of carbon or glass fibers, and a matrix material made of thermoplastic. 6 main steps for thermoforming are described in preceding slides. Materials can be in the form of polymer sheets, or prepregs containing fiber reinforcements in case of glass or carbon composites. Thin sheets are used for packaging, while thick sheets are used for structural applications. Plastic sheet is clamped into place and heated uniformly using radiant heaters or convection ovens. After heating, the soft plastic sheet is formed over or into a mold using vacuum, pressure, or mechanical forming techniques. The formed plastic is allowed to cool and harden while still in the mold. Cooling can be natural or assisted with fans or chilled air. Excess material, or flash, around the edges is trimmed off using cutting tools, CNC machines, or manual trimming. Finishing is divided into 3 parts, namely surface treatment for painting. It is followed by assembly of components, before carrying out final inspection. This technique is economical for low to medium production runs, can create small, large, or complex parts. It is compatible with various thermoplastics. Thermoforming process has minor limitations such as excess material from trimming can be significant although often recyclable. The stretching process may cause uneven thickness in some areas. These products have been widely accepted in packaging and consumer products. Medical and automobile industry also widely uses thermoforming. Some products include reusable shipping containers, water control pipe fittings, motorcycle fairings, machine covers, machine doors, and truck bed liners. Industry focus on adopting thermoforming as production technique is flashed on the screen for the benefit of students and manufacturers. An essential tip gives an insight into the science of adhesion. Apply liquid adhesive to both surfaces to be bonded. Having thickness range for good bonding is typically 0.6 mils to 1.3 mils. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get insight into the field of composites manufacturing.